Welcome back to the Baron Flights. A short while ago I showed you how to wirelessly connect a Spektrum NX8 to a DX6i, and that worked out pretty well. However, that was not meant to be the first video. The first video was to show you how to do a wired link. Now, why would I want to show you a wired link? Well, I'll quickly show you why, but first of all, to get a wired link between a Spektrum NX8 and a DX6i is you need an SPMA 3091. I know that because I wrote it down on a bit of paper. So, why? So let me quickly show you. On the back here, you will see there's a different port to the DX6i. Now let me very quickly show you what that looks like without that in there. And I'm going to turn off my radio now, just so that I don't muck anything up pulling this thing out. Okay, so I'll pull that out. Now with the DX6i, doesn't matter. So if you look at that there on the back, it says trainer. Okay, trainer. And you will need a 3.5 dual jack. Now if you go onto the Spektrum website and just put in trainer lead, this lead will come up, and that will just normally go into there on your DX6i and also on the other DX6i or whatever trainer it is that has that jack, and it will automatically light up. You don't even need to turn it on. But you haven't got that luxury, because on the back of the new range of the Spektrums you have that. That's an audio jack for your headphones. So don't go trying to put this end in there. It's not a good idea. So how do you get that to fit that? And that's with this adapter, this little lead here. Okay, and as I said, this is SPMA 3091. Okay, I'll just write it off the piece of paper. Okay, that's the jack that you need, and I'm going to show you how to make it work. All right, so let's turn the camera around and I'll show you what's what. Okay, so the camera's turned around. Now let me just take this DX6i out of the picture just for a second or two. You turn on your NX8, okay, and you will need to plug in your adapter like so. Now there's a tip here: do not lie your battery on its back, ever. Don't lean this on its back ever if you've got the training lead in, because you'll break it. That's tip number one. So we go into the function list, go all the way down, okay, to system setup. You go to are you sure and yes, then you go down and you will find, let's find it here now. He's gone past it, hasn't he? Trainer. There you go, there's trainer. Go into trainer and it will say list, and you go into wired trainer. Okay, and then you will see this here, the standard instructor. You'll see other things there, but standard instructor is the one you want. So you click on that and it's a switch I, not one, switch I, which is the bind button on here. Okay, now you take your normal Spektrum lead, which is this, you plug that into your adapter, okay, and then you don't turn the DXi on, you just simply plug it into the back like that. Okay, and that will come up as student because you've made it a free channel. Now coming back to this, you then go back to list, go back to your main screen. Okay, now if you just flick over this wheel one click, it goes to monitor, and let's say you're using the elevator. Now do you see where my thumb is? That's going up and down like that. That tells you that you have movement there. Okay, so I don't need to plug this into a model or anything to show you that. Now, if I put my finger on I, which is this, the bind button, and I move this one, you will see that that now moves. There, that one there. See it moving? Okay, until I take my finger off, nothing moves. Okay, and that is basically how you do your wired connection from the new Spektrum NX8 range to the already existing Spektrum DX6i. Okay, and if being a wired connection is your preference, that's what you need. You need that Spektrum SPMA 3091, and I will list it on the screen. Thank you for your indulgence. Now, one last thing before I go. If you like the program, please subscribe. If you subscribe, I will put you into the credits, and you'll notice at the beginning of this video I've already mentioned the new subscribers at the beginning, and they will obviously go into the credits, and I'll put some new music on. So I hope you enjoy the music, and look out for your name at the end of the credits. So if you want your name in the credits, please subscribe and you'll go on the credits. So make an old man happy, ring the bell, subscribe. Thank you for your indulgence, and good night.
Well, I'm desperate, need that guiding hand. There is a man who can help me out, and so I can understand the barren flight. Shows us right and takes us by the hand, and flies so straight and true. If you're in problems, friend, then the barren flight for you